Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Riot Platforms. Riot Platforms is having a strong up day. The key question is whether momentum can hold. Today, the stock gained by 16.1%, and the 30-day trend points to an uptrend. Price is above the 9, 50, and 200-day EMAs, confirming a strong uptrend across timeframes. There is an upward gap between 7.29 and 7.40 that is still open. A full gap fill would imply roughly a 62.1% pullback from current levels. Price has pushed above the falling short-term resistance zone near $17.24. As long as it holds above this band, a reversal of the prior short-term downtrend is in play. A close back below would signal that sellers are regaining control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $23.01. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $23.49. If current momentum continues, a measured move points toward a long-term objective near $24.34. The long-term roadmap is active, with 6 of 4 key confirmations in place, including downtrend break, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, volume above 120% of the 20-day average. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 82 to 152 sessions, or roughly 23.4 weeks. Invalidation sits near $12.62 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. RSI is in overbought territory, so some caution is warranted here. In a similar MACD cycle between August 21st and October 16th, the price saw an increase of around 59.3%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has broken above the short-term channel, signaling firm bullish momentum. If this breakout can hold, a reasonable upside projection sits near $19.5. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 38%, 19.39 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 23% retracement near 21.13 below, and the 50% level around 17.99 above. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 27.17, Fib 1.27, and then 31.29, Fib 1.62. Technical Analysis Update. Looking at Riot Platforms today, conditions are reading as bullish overall. Price is currently above the medium-term moving averages, which anchors the broader trend bias. The main tactical trigger to watch is a daily close above 23.01. A daily close above 23.01 with MACD confirmation would argue for a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, this roadmap starts to weaken on a sustained break below $12.62. Momentum and participation add context to that roadmap. RSI is currently around 71.4, and MACD is above its signal line, pointing to building strength in the current swing. Volume is elevated versus its 20-day average, and volatility via ATR is starting to expand. On the near-term map, the key reference levels include near-term resistance around $19.59, support near $18.97, a mid-term target around $23.01. In the bigger picture, the long-term measured move objective sits near $24.34. If the broader trend can stay intact, an upside roadmap to monitor is $24.34 as the long-term measured move objective, $29.57 as a 1.618 extension, $38.04 as a 2.618 extension. Overall, the coming sessions should reveal whether this roadmap can stay on track or transition into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for Riot Platforms. The most recent headline is, Riot Platforms stock jumps after $1 billion AMD AI deal. Riot Platforms stock jumps 13% on massive AMD lease deal. Tip ranks 45 hours ago, Riot stock surges after securing AMD data center lease deal. Investing.com 47 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Riot Platforms. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.